In this video, I will show you how hackers use Hydra, one of the most powerful brute force tools to crack login credentials on website and service. This tutorial is 100% for educational purpose. Do not use this on target you don't own. Warning: this video is only for learning cybersecurity and testing your own systems. Hydra is a fast and flexible tool used for brute force attacks against many protocols such as SSH, MySQL, FTP, HTTP, Telnet, and more. You can install Hydra by typing sudo apt install Hydra. You can see help message and check if it is working by typing Hydra tag H. Never test real website. Use legal practice site like testphp.vulnerableweb.com, your own setup, e.g. DBWA Metasploitable 2. In this example, my target website is DBWA on Metasploitable 2. So let's get started. You will need a list of possible usernames and passwords. You can create a simple list like this: nano password.txt. Add as many passwords as you want in the file. Next, create a list of target usernames. Nano users.txt. Add the usernames you want to target. You can also use the built-in wordlist rockyou.txt located at /user/share/wordlists. Now we run Hydra using all the information we collect. Sudo Hydra tag L, your target user list, tag P, your target password list, then enter your target IP address. HTTP tag post tag form, open quotation mark, copy and paste your target login page. Column username equals to user and password equals to pass and login equals to login. Column: enter the response text that appears when a login fails. You can find this by visiting your target login page and entering a fake username and password. It will show you a message like incorrect username or password or login failed. Copy that exact message and paste it here. Then close quotation mark and hit enter. Let's break down the command. Tag L, list of usernames. Tag P, list of passwords. HTTP tag post tag form, type of login. /login.php, target path. Username equals to user. Password equals to pass, data being sent. Login failed. Response test when login failed. Hydra will now try each combination and show successful login when found. Boom! Hydra has found valid credentials. As you can see, we have found the target host, username admin, password. Let's try logging in with these credentials to see if they work. Bonus: brute force FTP login with Hydra. Hydra can also brute force service like FTP, SSH, etc. For example, Hydra tag L, user lists. Tag P, your target password lists. FTP, column / your target IP address. As you can see, Hydra successfully cracked FTP and found a valid username and password. To protect your account from brute force attacks, use strong passwords, Enable rate limit on login forms. Use captchas. Implement account logout after 3 to 5 attempts. Always enable two-factor authentication. And that is how ethical hackers use Hydra to test password security. Always test only your own system or legal labs. Subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials.